Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing. I do get both the base box and the premium box, so I'm not going to go too much in depth about Boxycharm. If you guys are interested, feel free to ask me questions you have down below, since this year I am reviewing the items from the month prior. I'm also not trying any of these items on, so just to save time, where if I'm like talking about it then applying it, that just adds so much time to the video, and I feel like these videos are already pretty long with the month prior review. So yeah, you guys will just hear about these items in next month's review. So I'm gonna quit rambling. If you guys want to see what I got in my April Boxycharm base box and premium box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the theme for this month is sweet treats. The back of the card just shows the items and the retail value, as well as a little like description of all the items. First off is this Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. This was the choice item that I picked for this month, and this is maybe, how do I do this? Okay, and this is what the primer, whoa, okay, that's like a gel. I feel like I could just like build it on each other. Okay, but this is what the primer looks like. I'm very excited to use this. It feels so fun. Like, ooh. Smells pretty good, and ooh, my hand feels cool. I really enjoy the cooling feeling of products like that Becca setting powder, the Hydra Mist. Loved that because it felt cooling and wet. This feels really cooling, so I'm definitely excited to start using this. This retails for $32, and it says lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. Sherbet Primer. I keep wanting to say sherbet. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with this Icy Sherbet Primer. I keep wanting to say sherbet. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Then we have the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra-Hydrating Face Oil, and this one I will probably wait till like the colder months to use, because I feel like an oil might be a little too much for my skin during the warmer spring and summer months. But this is what it looks like. It kind of smells honey-y, but it kind of smells more chemically honey. But either way, excited to use this. This retails for $48. It says a fast absorbing non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Then we have this Dragon Beauty Dragonfire color corrector, and this is the lavender shade. If I understand color correction, the peachy orange to cancel out blue under the eyes, and we have green to cancel out redness, leaving purpley lavender to cancel out yellow. I'm pretty yellow, so am I supposed to put this all over my face and neutralize my skin? I don't know. So if you know how to use lavender color corrector, let me know. I kind of wish I got the green one, or like a peach. I don't know if she has a peach one. I know she has a green one, but I don't know. So this is what it looks like on the back of my hand, and it blends out really nicely. It's not too thick, and it's not like too watery where there's like no color to it. I don't know how I'm supposed to use it, because I'm not going to brighten up my under eye with it. I'm not going to put it on my red spots. I have no idea how to use this, other than maybe like an eyeshadow base for like a purpley shadow. Like I really don't know. This retails for $25, and it says Dragonfire color corrector helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, it blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage. To make your makeup look even more flawless, apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. Then we have these two tweezers from Monica Dar. It is their Pluck It two-piece tweezers. You've got an angled one and a pointed one. I don't know if tweezers just get dull or something, because I have one that I use more so now just to like help apply lashes, because it doesn't pull anything out. So I have no idea how tweezers just go from working to not working. I would have to get new tweezers eventually, I guess, so at least I have some on backup. So at least it's a practical product. It's not something I would spend the $18 on for tweezers, but it's not bad, because I think we got one from Boxycharm like a year ago or so, and it was like $20 just for one tweezer, so 18 for two isn't bad. But it says it's time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains one slanted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. A long handle provides a more controlled tweeze. Then we have a liquid shadow from Appeal Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I'm not the biggest liquid shadow person, but the brush itself is already frayed. It is a brush applicator, not like a sponge tip or anything. I'll give this a shot, but I feel like it might be something my mom would like. The color is really pretty. I'll definitely give it a try and see. My mom really likes, you know, like the liquid shadows, and this is definitely a color that's up her alley. So if she wants it, she can have it. If not, I'll find use for it. This retails for $21, and it just says, "Get glam and glisten up with this new liquid eyeshadow. Rich with beautiful color and high shimmer." So that is everything for my base box, and the total retail value is $144. Alright, so now on to my premium box. So again, we have the same theme and the items and retail value on the back. First is this right here from Wander Beauty, and this was one of the 2 choice items. This is their Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. So this is what it looks like. Alright, let's see what this says. It retails for $68, wholly pricey. Formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. Squalene and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while Dragon's Blood helps soothe skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. I don't think I've used retinoid if it's in any of my skincare. I'm excited to try this. I will keep you guys updated because I do have discoloration and I do have a little bit of texture, but it's not as bad as it has been in the past. The next choice item is this Natasha Denona palette. This is the Coral palette. I got this one specifically for my mom. I got their purpley one in the pop-up or the add-on shop. I don't know what the difference is between the add-on and the pop-up, but I have the purpley one from them. My mom has the Natasha Denona Glam palette from her friend, and she really likes the formula, so when I saw this in there, I was like, well, do you want some of the peachy pinky tones? She said yes, so I did pick this one up for her, so I'm not going to swatch it or anything. But this retails for $48, so it is very pricey. It's one of her bigger 5-pan palettes, but it's still 5 shadows, $48. Very expensive, but it says a 5-pan eyeshadow palette that features 5 buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly in order to create vibrant, ultra pigmented, long-lasting looks. Then we have the Dose of Colors eyeliner. This is in the shade Dark Roast. This eyeliner is so pretty. So it is a dark brown shade, and I'm very happy about that because we got like 2 black eyeliners. It was like a liquid liner and a pencil liner, either duo or like a dual end. So I'm really happy to have a brown eyeliner. Very pretty. It does smudge out. I'm going to let it set and then we'll try to smudge it. So I'm definitely excited to play around with this one, and the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and it has a built-in sharpener in the back. This retails for $15, which really isn't bad considering some like drugstore liners are like $10, $11 and stuff like that. But it says this long wear creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer resistant high coverage matte finish. Built-in sharpener included. It has set a little bit, and yeah, it's not budging. Then we have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Primer. I'm really happy I got this one with the summertime coming around. I've heard that it is very mattifying, long lasting. It smells like her other foundation, smells like the powder, so I feel like it's just the Fenty scent. This retails for $32. It says a universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine stopping pore diffusing primer smooths the way for better foundation application and longer wear with an instant retouch effect. Then we have this Murad Hydrating Toner, and it is a spray. I initially thought it was a setting spray at first, but it is a toner. The mist is pretty nice. Not my favorite scent, but not bad. I'm very bad with scents, but it's like kind of rosy, but has other stuff in it because I'm not the biggest fan of just rose scents on its own. This retails for $35, but it says an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. Then the last thing is this Incredible Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. These are so pretty. You've got the crystals inside, and the roller ball matches like the color of the crystals. I do have a matte lipstick on, so I am gonna apply this. It feels really nice and cold, but some of the matte lipstick did come off, so I don't know how that would be if I were to just use it over like a regular lipstick. This might be something I just wear on its own because I don't you're gonna get so much buildup of like lip product in here. So it added a little bit of shine and whatnot, but this would probably be something I would just use on its own just to have like a glossy finish to my lips, because I don't want lip product to just keep getting rolled around in this top part. But these retail for $24, so 12 bucks a pop if they are sold separately. And it says the glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras, enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. Alright, so the total retail value for my premium box was $222. That was it for the unboxing for this month's items. If you guys want to see what my reviews are on last month's items, then just keep on watching. So now onto the review from last month's boxes. The first thing is the Illuminati makeup sponge. It expands a lot when you wet it, but it still feels very like dense and rough. I do like this just for setting powder, so I'll dip this in the loose powder and like set under my eyes with it and whatnot, but I will not use this to blend out foundation. It's too rough. Get a Beaky blender sponge, a Real Techniques or an Eco Tools. So much better, so much more affordable. Next, I don't have a review for this because I am giving it to my mom, and it's the 111 Skin Black Diamond Contour Gel. Then we have the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So good. I wish it wasn't a banana smell because banana is not my favorite, but it works so well. Very, very lightweight, but very, very hydrating. So I've been using this pretty much every single day since I got it. I really do enjoy it. It's a very good daytime moisturizer. The Cab Lip Oil is very, very nice as well, and I like that it is like a sheer like clear gloss. Like it might have like the lightest purple tint, but it doesn't show up like bright purple on my lips, so it's a very good everyday lip oil. Very hydrating, very comfortable. I use this so much. And then the Frank Body Caffeinated Glow Mask, very nice. It's a very, very thick mask. It's like a mask that stays on top like one of those like clay masks, but it doesn't dry down like a clay mask. It still stays very like thick and creamy. So I apply that as like I'm getting ready to take a shower and whatnot, rinse it off in the shower. My skin feels so hydrated after this. It is a lovely nighttime hydrating mask. Then we have the IGK Prenup Instant Hair Mask. This one is very sad because it is broken. Like it is broken. So I emailed Boxycharm and they are sending me a replacement, but it's another IGK product. I think it's like their scalp thing, or they're sending me something. I just forget exactly which one it was, but I was really excited to use this one, but I couldn't. I'm sitting there like squeezing it, and I feel like I would take like 40 minutes just to get enough for my hair because I don't have the longest hair, but I have very thick hair. Kind of bummed. I was really excited to try and use this. If you know how to get product out of aerosols, let me know because I want to use this so bad. So very sad that I don't have a review for this one other than, you know, the packaging sucks. Next is the Dose of Colors Block Party Shadow in Reflection, and it is what is on my eyelids today. This is the shade of it right here. It is so pretty. So here's a swatch of it. You could see it on its own without like other eyeshadow. It is just so pretty and I absolutely love it. I've used this a couple times. I had to remember to grab for it because again, I'm really bad at grabbing for my single shadows, but I'd get ready and I'm like, I have that Dose of Color shadow to use, so I would have to grab it and use it. Very, very pretty. Very happy with the color I got. Then we have the Beauty Diva London eye brushes. This one I use mainly for like my outer corner. The shader brush is okay. I use this more for like a matte shade and run it on my lower lash line because it is very like thin and pointed. It does not pick up shimmers the way I want it to, but I also just prefer using my fingers for shimmers. So this brush right here I think is my favorite out of all of them because it is like angled and it's like the perfect size for how winged out I want my shadow. So I'll just go like this. Do a little bit of that to get, you know, length of the tapering out of my eyeshadow that I want, and then like blend from there. So I really like this one, and this one I've been using to do this whole like inner corner wing thing. Still not great at it. I think they're pretty uneven, but I'm trying. Depending on how I angle it, I kind of try my best to make them even, but I'll just go like this and like that. Then we have the Rowan Liquid Lip Oil Lip Gloss Oil thing. This is a My Lips But Better type of color, and it is so pretty, so light, so comfortable, very hydrating, nice color. I like this a lot. Then we have the Kybrus eyeshadow palette and eye primer, eye serum thing. This is the liquid serum. It's really nice under the eyes. It's cooling. I really like this. Concealer applies over it really nicely, or if I just do this under the eyes and like use eyeshadow, it's a nice under eye like eyeshadow primer, kind of like that Smashbox one that I had used up last year. I'll continue to use this, but this one right here is the one that I was kind of disappointed in with this set. Very overpriced brand, and again, for it being overpriced, this fell apart, so very disappointing in that. Again, they're like really soft shimmers, and they work for like your face highlight as well. So very pretty. I did use them more as like face highlights, but yeah, they're very soft and whatnot, but my mom said she does want this, so I'm gonna like glue it back and I'll give this to my mom. The last is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Silicone Free Face Primer. It smells like coconut. It is delicious. I really enjoy it. I've used it before, that's why I picked it, but I have not opened it yet because I do have other primers open and whatnot, and I already know I like it, so I'm just gonna keep this on backup and use this in a little bit once I use up another primer and stuff. So alright guys, so that was it for my April Boxycharm unboxing and March box review. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes down below. Again, if you know how to use a lavender color corrector, definitely let me know with that one. Let me know what your favorite item from your box was. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!